You need to get that in here. You can't do that. You have to concentrate 100% for the whole time. You can't let your brain disappear. Really, you can't. When you do that, you're dead. You kill yourself. You're dead. Because what happens is, while you're thinking about something else, or you're worried about your rubber, oh, it's not neat. Oh, I want to make it so neat and tidy. While you're listening to the test, you don't touch anything. You just concentrate. You keep your head down. You keep listening for detail. You're reading the questions. You're trying to guess the information. You're wondering what's going on. What am I going to hear? What is this about? Do I need a noun, a verb, an adjective? Do I have the multiple choices? Is it yes, no, not given? What do I need to put into this to get it right? Thinking, reading, guessing, keeping ahead, keeping ahead, keeping ahead. Keep ahead, keep ahead. Fall behind, you're dead. Keep ahead. Always keep 1 or 2 questions ahead. Keep reading ahead. Keep guessing ahead. Keep looking ahead. Keep anticipating ahead. When you